The Fed is starting to panic, and it's starting to show up in the markets. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, March the 22nd, and NCAA. What a wild tournament. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Family Farms, and of course, our goal and job is to help farmers realize the most capital out of their crops and hedge them, to show them the best ways to hedge without ever giving up the upside. And what a better way to, not such a good way to start off, but we're going to start off with the grains today, and the grains are under pressure. Corn and wheat are both lower. The typical Monday, and wheat is a little bit higher. And of course, we're long the two that are down, and we're short the one that is up at the moment. But again, as I always say, one day doesn't make a trade or a trend, and we'll see what happens. In the meantime, the meats, cattle is higher, both fats and feeders slightly. Hogs are under a little bit of pressure, especially in July and June, down around $2. So we'll see. We're long hogs and long cattle as well. The equities are charging, higher, with the exception of the Russell and the Dow. The Nasdaq and S&P are both up big. The Nasdaq's up almost 200. The Russell's down almost 200, and the Dow itself is up about 30, and the S&P's up about 20. So it's a wide divergence in these markets. Once again, we're long across the board, so obviously for us it's still good. The Nasdaq is the biggest, and of course it's up the biggest, so that's a good thing. But as I said, this looks like the Fed is starting to panic. You're seeing a lot of crazy things happen, and of course there's a ton of Fed speak this week. Which starts today with Jerome Powell. So to me, they're out doing some damage control potential. I think they realize they've gone a little bit too far, because the bonds, although bonds and notes are higher today, they are pushing hard and telling the Fed that they're wrong and they need to start to adjust. And I think this is we're going to see over the next few days, is who gives in or who relents. And I think the Fed will. That'd be my guess. Copper's a little bit higher. We're short. Net gas is a little bit lower. We're short. The dollar is flattish, and we're long. Crude is all over the place. It's higher right now, and we are short crude now. As we look at it, and look, at the end of the day, okay, we don't worry about one day or one moment in time. It's a long process, which is what we go through all the time. And, we're not looking to reinvent what the trend is doing. Any given day, anything can happen. And again, when we get to a point where we change, we'll change. Okay. The softs are kind of mixed. And actually, honestly, other than cocoa, which we're now short, which is slightly higher, I didn't really look at them all that closely today. So I don't have great numbers for you. So I'm not even going to try to attempt to guess where they are. I'll just tell you that, wherever they are, we're short cotton, we're long OJ, we're short coffee, we're short sugar, and now we're short cocoa. Okay. That's what I'll tell you. I don't know I can't give you quotes right now because I don't have them. I forgot to look at them. Because again, I don't look at things every day if I'm not going to trade them during the day. And typically I don't trade the softs during the day. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. Now, we do have other brokers, but of course, CTG Group. They are our partner for equities, futures, and commodities. And of course, they are our only authorized vendor of the letter of direction. And they also have given, some of our day trading information as well. They've got some great managed products. And they trade my accounts for me. So certainly you want to check them out. Again, I do have other accounts, just to be clear. And of course, for equities and options, there's Tradier. And in our mind, nobody better than Tradier for that department. First of all, it's $10 a month. How can you pass that up? And second of all, we've got their APIs, which allows you, if you choose to automate your account. You don't have to. It's not required. There's no cost for it. It is a free of charge service that is part of your membership. And, again, our commodity report with Andy Hecht, you got to check it out. I mean, it is phenomenal. And the quarterlies are coming out. If you're going to get in, this is the time. It's called Technometal. You can go to BUBBATrading.com And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. It's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And today we've got NCAA basketball on a Monday. How about that? And we will tell you that today we like Alabama, Abilene Christian plus the points, and a couple of other underdogs. We're leaning towards some of the dogs. But again, it's been a tough card. Obviously, a wild weekend in picks. But enjoy the day if you're a fan. And we'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.